So let's go over the contents of the Billy B Essential Brush Set. This set is awesome for the beginners that wear makeup. It's awesome for the advanced makeup wearers. It's really awesome for anybody that really gets into makeup at all. So let's go over a few of the brushes. So, starting off with brush number 2, which is the foundation brush. It's very, very flexible. It has a lot of slip. It's great because when you put foundation on, it lays on the skin. It doesn't necessarily push the foundation around. So it's really, really great for that. So if you know and you watch most of my videos, you know that I usually don't use a traditional foundation brush for my foundation, but I love using this when I do use it. I love using it for when I'm like highlighting my skin and I use a lighter foundation. So I'll just like lay it on there and get it in, or when I use my moisturizer, or a lot of times when I use my cream blush, I use this brush as well. Brush number 3 is a blush / powder brush. You can use it for either or. It's small, domed. It really is great because it fits perfectly along the apple of the cheek. I'll update the blush that I have on now, which is Azalea MAC Pro, and just apply it just like that. It's really a great brush. And if you wanted to use it for powder, you could. I mean, you have flexibility. Again, brushes are tools, and they don't have specific purposes. They have things that you can prefer to use them for, but I think this would be awesome for blush or powder, as it says on the website as well. Brush number 4. Brush number 4, baby. This thing right here. So I think I remember on the site it says that this is used for contouring the skin. So if you wanted to just get right in that hollow and bang out that skin with like a matte color or bronzer or blah, 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 blah. I have a video of Billy doing this, and the man kills it. I can't even understand how he does it, but he does. I use this not only for contouring, but if you remember in the video that I created about getting rid of blemishes and discolorations and blah, 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 I use this brush. I loved it because, I'll show you. How about that? I like to use it. This is the foundation, the concealer that I use. This is the brush. I swirl it around like this, just to get enough on there, and I just go over the skin, just like this. You can really get in there. You can really bang up the skin this way. So I really like it for that. And it really helps get rid of anything that you need to get rid of. Or let's say you're using a powder, like you wanted to use a pigmented, like a face powder, pressed powder, and you want to finish up the look. You want to make sure this is clean. If it's got any liquid or cream, anything on it, it's going to ruin your powder. But you would use it right on top and buff like this, and you will kill it. I'm telling you, Warren was telling me how he did it today. At a photo shoot, he said, I just took it and banged that skin out with that powder, girl, and it makes a whole new look. So, Warren, I'm shouting you out, boo. Okay, so that's brush number 4. This is a must-have. Even if you decide that you need to get one brush at a time because you can't afford the whole kit, which is completely okay. This is an awesome must-have brush. Next brush, number 8. I'm trying to go through my other ones. This is a great small eyeshadow brush. You can definitely get on the lid and use it. You can use it well in the crease. I think I demonstrated using it in the crease today. So I'm using MAC Handwritten eyeshadow, and I'll just go right in here and just frame the eye, just like that. And it's good because it's small. I mean, if you can use traditional brushes, but like this is the MAC 224 brush, and this is the Billy B number 8 brush. See the difference? Like if you're using this brush, you're going to get way extra and you'll get more. If you have a small crease, this is a lot. If you have a small crease, this is great. Also for the sea and sky eyeshadow look that I did, the blue look, I used this, or no, I didn't use this one. Sorry, nix that. But it's an awesome brush to get in that crease. Now I always use this for my crease first, like always. So this is an awesome brush. And if you want to do like a little bit of eyeshadow, you can definitely do it. Look at the difference that made with that brown. Good stuff. And brush number 10, which would be this one. Small for detailed use. If you wanted to line the eye, let's say, or something, you know, with a lot of detail. That's probably what I would use it for lining the eye. Or maybe getting in, like, if you need to really, really blend, like, your lip liner or your eyeliner or something like that. But any small detail that you can think of, you can use this brush. And the number 11 brush. That's one of them that I can't find. Darn it. And the number 12 brush. This one. This is the one that I know for sure, that I'm almost sure that Billy uses for banging out the crease. You already know how it is. You can look through his portfolio and see how many pictures and videos he's done where that crease is defined and sexy and it looks amazing. And this is a brush for it. Now, I used it today just to get under here like this with this carbon eyeshadow. Just like that, and I got a soft look and I really liked it. I didn't want a hard line, so I used it for a very soft line, but I believe Billy goes in here with this in just shades, and if you get to see a workshop of his or a class of his, you will see him use all these, and you'll see tons of artists using them in everyday life. And this right here, it does the work for you. It's awesome. Very, very soft. It moves easily. It's not like a firm brush. It looks firm, but it's not. So, it's awesome. Tapered. Good brush. Awesome brush. You can find all the official descriptions on BillyBBeauty.com on the shop section. But this is just kind of how I use it and trying to give you a feel of how to use those. And then the lip brush, which I think, I don't even know, y'all. I can't even tell you what I did with the lip brush. I use it all the time. It's probably in my purse upstairs. My fault. But that is the essential brush set.